Today we have another HVAC system repair. This one is a Bryant Heat Pump. It's not making cold. We'll see what we can do. The owner says it worked at the end of last season, but this year when you turn it on, the outdoor unit just makes a buzzing noise. The microphone may pick up the buzzing noise. Cooling fan's not spinning, and that could be a bad starter. I'm going to take a chicken stick, give the fan a spin, and see if it comes up to speed. Bearings sound old, but still runs. But there's still no cold coming out of the pipes. It's possible this unit has a single starter capacitor that runs the compressor and the cooling fan. Let's take a look inside. Let's go ahead and pull the disconnector. I took 600 volts DC across the chest one time. That's enough to put the fear of God in anybody. First, we're going to remove the 4 8mm screws securing the cover. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Huh, I hear the helicopters here too. Here's the start capacitor. It is a single capacitor for both motors. The top is all bulged up, so it's probably bad. We'll go ahead and remove it and then we'll test it. Remember to discharge your capacitor before you handle it so you don't take a nasty shock. .6 mm wrench to loosen the screw for the capacitor retaining clamp. You can see how much the top of the capacitor is bulged up. But we'll test it with a meter. This meter only goes up to 20 microfarads, which I'm not happy about. So we'll only test the fan side. And that is from here. Janky probe. To here. And it's reading nothing, which means the connection is broken inside. So the capacitor is bad. I'm not going to test the other side because the meter doesn't go high enough. Oh, what the hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's open inside also. So let's just put the new capacitor in and see what happens. Well, the new capacitor is a little bit bigger than the old one, but it's rated the same. 45 microfarads, 5 microfarads, 370 volts AC, same terminal layout, so it should be fine. And there's enough room in the air conditioning compartment to hold the bigger capacitor. Same diameter, it's just taller. Alright, so let's just put this new capacitor in. And we'll reconnect the wires in the same order. Brown is your fan wire. Blue is your compressor wire. And yellow is your common. I'm going to put the disconnector back in and see if the system starts before we close everything up. that's good. The fan is self-starting. But the big question is, are we making any cold? Oh yeah, this is nice and cold. So, we're going to put that in the wind column. We'll go ahead and button this up, call it a day. Oh, that's nice and cold. Ever wonder what the inside of one of these capacitors looks like? It's probably filled with toxic liquids.
Illegal or harmful content.
We're going to open this up here so you don't have to. Alright, let's see if we can cut through it with a cold chisel.
Looks like some type of gray paste.
Oh yeah, now it's oozing. It's a liquid electrolyte inside. Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. GE makes them tough. We couldn't get it apart without cutting the case open. It's just too much work. What the hell, we've come this far. There it is. Inside is a plastic winding with probably got a metal foil layer in it. And it's just wound up 4 miles. So that's it. It's plastic with a metal coating on it, wound up mile after mile, soaked in an electrolyte. Instant battery. Alright, let's put all this in the trash.